Basically, the point of the experiment was to test a geological process called thrust faulting. When you have these tectonic environments, tectonic plates will push together and result in faults when the rocks break, when they have too much stress. We decided that we could study that using a sand analog, which simulates rocks over a much smaller time scale and can be done without, tectonic forces being applied to it. Well, there actually is no scientific rationale for studying it in microgravity. The sort of forces that we see are not typically experienced in anything other than a planetary body. We use the simulated and lunar Martian gravity created by the reduced gravity aircraft.
The structure was built for the previous team for a lower weight threshold. Our weight was much higher, so we had to proof test to 9 times 130 pounds, which was quite a bit. So in our proof test, we actually broke a few of the welds of our aluminum welded structure and then had to basically reinforce it during flight week. Turned out that it worked, and I don't know, we got to fly. It's pretty cool. We got approved.
Don't never get old. Look.
Microgravity was a very unusual feeling originally, but once you get used to it, it's really just wonderful experience. After we flew, I dreamt about it for weeks.
Hey, come on now, be down. Oh my god. Oh, I'm sorry. Whoa. What's going on? Alright, come out, be down. Most thing I've ever done in my life. It's like you're in space. That's just too cool. Too cool.
It was really cool. It was really, really neat. It was surprising because it's not just floating, it's falling, so you feel like you're falling through space. So I imagine it's what a skydiver would feel like if you subtracted out the wind resistance feeling that probably overwhelms their senses. It was scary because I was convinced I was going to puke the whole time, but none of us did, and it was just really, really cool. It's kind of an indescribable experience, so it's awesome.